Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing the Cosrx original clear pad, and this will be my first time using it. So I just thought it would be nice, come out here, try it out with you guys and let you guys know what I think about it, first-hand experience. It comes in a plastic packaging like so. It says Salix Alba Back Water and BHA. So BHA is generally good for people with acne prone skin. So I've just washed my face off. So we're going to put these pads to test. So basically, I didn't even realize they were toners. I thought for some reason it was like, those micellar cleansing pads. Just going to, swipe this on my entire face. And the reason why toners are used generally, in case you don't know, is that toners help to further take away that weren't taking off when, after washing the face. Toners ensure that, see, I washed my face yet. I don't know if you guys, you can see the brown like foundation. That's what this is taking off. So that's the essence of using a toner. Most times after washing the face, the makeup don't get taken off entirely. That's the essence of toner. So the toners, that's when toners come in. They help to take off these impurities that are left behind. So imagine what I have on my face. Like this part, oh my goodness, I can't even believe I really washed my face. But that's the benefit of using toners. And toners also help to, prepare the skin for other skincare products that you would apply, such as your serums and all that. Toners are very beneficial. I have just used one pad to wipe my entire face, and this is what my skin is looking like. So you guys can see it looks really hydrated, and this is amazing for acne prone skin as well because it contains BHA, and BHA is amazing for people with oily and acne prone skin. So basically what it would do, it would penetrate into the skin and then help to decongest the pores. Honestly, very impressed with this product. I can't believe how it's left my face glowing. This just added that glow to my skin. So to me is a really good one, and I must say as well that my face does not sting, it doesn't burn, because sometimes when I use some of these products it gets to sting and burn, especially like when you're wiping the skin, so it gets to sting and burn. And then the fact that this has BHA, that means it's also exfoliating as well, which is amazing. You can use it once or twice a day, but to be honest, I would say I'll just use it in the evening. It's best to use after the day, since this is like exfoliating. You don't want to over exfoliate because that will be quite irritating. So I would say use this once a day rather than using it twice a day. So just using it after the day, at the end of the day, would be very amazing and very suitable. This contains 70 pads, so this would generally last you over 2 months. So you see, my skin is still quite hydrated, because you would think that maybe by now my skin would have dried out and all that, because sometimes it happens. This hasn't dried out. And one thing I must stress as well is that after using this, you have to use an SPF. You must use an SPF. You are going to cause your skin more harm than good. So to get even better results, make sure you use an SPF daily, minimum of 30, broad spectrum SPF, minimum of 30 daily. And then with this, what you want to do next, because obviously I washed my face, then I've used this, the next step is to use your serums. And then after your serum, if you don't have a serum, you can proceed to using your moisturizer, and then that's it for nighttime. But in the daytime, make sure you use your SPF. That has to be it for this product right here. Like, I'm honestly loving it, and it's just really nice. And again, I must say that because of the way the plastic packaging is, when you're done using it, you can upcycle this. You can use this to maybe store other things. You could even use this to store like whatever you want to store, because the packaging feels very durable, and it's really good. It's very good for upcycling, to be honest. I have come to the end of today's video. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, let me know in the comment section below. Have you tried this before? If you have, let me know what you thought about it. And with all that being said, I will catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching.